And the V6 actually does a really good job at pushing this truck, even with the higher stance, the bigger tires, and all that. And here on the interstate, it's surprisingly smooth, just cruising at 74 miles per hour. And if you drive it right, you could probably get a little bit better than the 16 city, 18 highway that the EPA says you'll get with this truck. And surprisingly, the tires are not as intrusive as I would have expected in terms of road noise. And the brake pedal feels really good too. I'm not having to push down harder than I normally would in the Colorado. And this truck is surprisingly maneuverable. I don't feel like I'm about to flip it. It turns pretty well. I don't feel like I'm in a lifted truck like you'd think. And throttle response is really good with this truck. I haven't said much about it because I haven't really been pressing the pedal hard, but when I put my foot down just a little bit, it's pretty good at shifting and finding that right shift point to do what you're wanting to do. And of course, with this kind of truck, the suspension is harsher than a normal Colorado would be, but in a good way. People who are looking at this truck want something that's going to be aggressive, something that's going to be off-road capable, and this is definitely in that realm. And you want to have that kind of ride when you're going off-road or hitting rough trails, things of that nature. And this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison.